Chapter number 12, Home Remedies for Simple Illness. Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 12, Home Remedies for Simple Illness. Okay, students. So before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you the meaning of home remedy. Home remedies means something that make you better when you are ill or in pain. समझ में आ रहा है? होम रेमेडीज़ मीन्स घरेलू उपाय. क्या उपाय हम करें कि हमें जो हमारे तकलीफ़ से राहत मिले, दैट इज़ सेड टू बी होम रेमेडी. इज़ दैट क्लियर? वंस अगेन आई रिपीट, होम रेमेडी मीन्स something that make you better when you are ill or in pain. So students, home remedies for small illness. First of all, home remedies means what? Small treatment given by your parents before going to doctor. Okay, it is a small treatment which has been given by your parents before going to doctor. ठीक है, डॉक्टर के पास जाने के पहले पेरेंट्स जो भी आपका इलाज करते हैं, जैसे पट्टी लगाते हैं या वॉश हर्ट हो जाता है आपको कहीं तो उनको वॉश करते हैं, तो ये सारे आपके जो है पेरेंट्स आपके लिए करते हैं ना. आप गिर जाते हो या आपको चोट लग जाती है तो पेरेंट्स कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं ना घर पर, तो ये है आपका होम रेमेडी. नेक्स्ट, मीनिंग ऑफ illnesses. It means physically unfit or not in good health. ठीक है, फिजिकली आप अनफिट हो, आपका सिर दर्द हो रहा है, आपको कफ हो रहा है, आपको फीवर है, सो इट शोज दैट यू आर नॉट फिजिकली फिट. घर का इलाज. ठीक है, अब जब वो नहीं ठीक हो रहा है देन व्हाट विल बी डन? यू विल बी टेकन टू द डॉक्टर. ठीक है, आपको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाया जाता है. देन ही विल प्रोवाइड पर्टिकुलर ट्रीटमेंट. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? येस. सो वेन एवर यू गेट हर्ट, स्टूडेंट, यू शुड नेवर गेट अफ्रेड. इमीडिएटली यू शुड टेल टू योर पेरेंट्स दैट so and so place I got an injury. Okay, then parents will look out of it. They will look. Next thing, in the school also, in case in school if you fell down, you got hurt, yes, immediately you should report it to your teacher. She will look out of it. She will call to the doctor for serious injury or she will call to your parents. Yes, so you should, one thing you remember that you should never hide all these things. Okay, so here student picture is given on the page number 76 of your EVS textbook. Picture is given. One boy is there with the plaster. Can you tell me why the plaster have been put up to the boy on the hand? Yes, because his bone has been fractured. ठीक है, हो सकता है कि उसका बोन फ्रैक्चर हो गया हो. Fracture means what? Breaking of bone is said to be a fracture. So in order to join those bone, doctor puts plaster. प्लास्टर डालते हैं डॉक्टर, तो क्या होता है, बोन्स जो है वो पोजीशन में हो जाते हैं और वो ज्वाइंट हो जाते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई द डॉक्टर पुट्स प्लास्टर. Okay, next, next question, see, could we put his arm in plaster at home? क्या हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं प्लास्टरिंग? No, we cannot put plaster at home. For this purpose, we have to visit doctor's clinic who is specialized in the bone. Okay, so no, this could not be done. Why? Because doctor is specialized. He know how to plaster. So we have to take boy to the clinic for plastering it, plastering the injury. Next, why has the girl been brought to a doctor. पिक्चर देखिए सबसे पहले पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है, वो गर्ल है ना, स्मॉल गर्ल, तो उसे डॉक्टर के पास क्यों लेकर गए? दिस गर्ल मे नॉट बी फीलिंग वेल, नहीं होगी उसकी तबीयत सही, ठीक है. दिस गर्ल मे नॉट बी फीलिंग वेल, वी मे बी running temperature, she may be running temperature, that is why she has been brought to the doctor. So उसका temperature होगा शायद, इसीलिए उसे डॉक्टर के पास लेकर आए होंगे. Is that clear? Okay, so the picture which has been given on page number 276 is clear to you all? Yes. So first is why is the boy arm plaster? The boy's arm is plaster because his plaster could be done. That is, could we put the plaster at home? No, we can't put plaster at home because it has been done by the specialized person, that is we call doctor. So doctor is a specialized person, one who put the plaster. Okay, so it could not be done at home. Next question, why the girl is brought to the doctor? Because she must be not feeling well and she must be having the temperature. That is why she has taken to a doctor for the treatment. Is that clear to you all? Okay. Next topic, home remedies. You clear now what is home remedy. Next we have to see illness. Next point which I am going to discuss is about the illness. Okay. So students, when you are healthy, first of all I am going to discuss the point. How do you feel when you are healthy? You feel good, right? You do not feel tired when you wake up from your sleep. You feel fresh, okay? You don't have any complaint regarding digestion. आपका पेट भी सही रहता है, right? And what is there given here? You can sleep well at night. रात में नींद भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. Okay, you don't have any complaint regarding digestion. You will feel hungry. You will eat food at right time, and almost important, we feel fresh. Almost important is that we feel fresh when you get up early in the morning. Okay, so we don't feel tired even if we have been at work. Yes, but sometime for some reason we fall ill. हाँ, भूख नहीं लगती, थकान से महसूस होती है, टेम्परेचर होता है, हाँ, तो ये सारा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. तो उस समय क्या करना चाहिए? दैट आर द सिंपल. ओके, लेट्स रिवाइव व्हाट वी लर्न टिल नाउ. What does the following picture shows? Why is this boy's arm is plaster? Could we have put his arm in plaster at home? Yes, student. आपके हिसाब से क्या हो सकता है? क्यों प्लास्टर लगा है उस लड़के को? Yes, the bone of the boy's arm must have been fractured. Therefore, his arm is in plaster. Okay. And no, we cannot put plaster at home. For this purpose, we have to visit the doctor's clinic who is specialized in the bone. Yes, so students, these pictures give you following information that the boy is plaster due to fracture of bone, and this plaster has been put by the doctor and it has been not done at home. Okay, let's see another picture. Why has this girl been brought to a doctor? This girl may not be well. She may be running temperature. That is why she has been brought to a doctor. Is that clear? Why she has brought to the doctor? Because she must be having some fever or some illness, due to which she has brought to the doctor for treatment. Let's look at the another picture. So students, if you see, uh, page number 76 of your textbook, a true story of this girl has been given. Okay, the name of the girl is Sakhu. Yes, and Sakhu had slightly sore throat. Still, she had some ice cream. Okay, the next day her throat hurt and she found it difficult to swallow. Mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after school for 2 days. On the third day, Sakhu's throat had stopped hurting. This was a simple illness and she soon felt better again. But a fortnight later, Sakhu Tai fell ill. She was running a temperature. Her eyes had become yellow. She did not feel like eating anything. Mother took her to the doctor. The doctor said that Tai has jaundice. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. She also told her to eat as little as possible of things which contain oil, ghee, butter, etc. This was not an illness that could be cured easily. Is that clear, students? So home remedies are only there for those illness which could be cured easily. But if the illness goes to high point, that is very serious, then we should consult to doctor. Okay. So, what does illness conclude? For some reason, we may fall ill. When we are unwell, our health is affected. Understood? जब हम ठीक नहीं होते, हमारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है, तो हमारे हेल्थ पर इफेक्ट होता है. यस, व्हेन वी आर वेल, जब हम ठीक ठाक होते हैं तो हम सही समय पे खाना खाते हैं, सही समय पे सोते हैं, हमारी कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं होती और हमें फ्रेश फील होता है हमेशा. Okay, so when we are well, we feel hungry at a right time, we get good sleep at night, have no complaint of digestion, feel refreshed when we wake up, do not feel tired. Okay, so this shows that we are healthy, we don't have any illness. But if a person is ill, all above mentioned activity is disturbed. Illness can be minor or major. Minor illness can be cured by home remedies. They can be cured in short time. But major illness, students, major illness, we have to be take care of by the doctor. We need to go to clinic or hospital. These illness are not cured in short time. Okay, so they are the major illness. बड़ी बीमारी जो होती है वो आसानी से नहीं ठीक होती. Okay, is that clear? समझ में आया आपको? अब आगे देखते हैं. Yes, students, what is right and what is wrong? This topic could be understood after you come to know a small story. Shripati and his younger sister Tara were working in the field. A snake bite. Yes, after biting Shripati, snake wriggled away. Okay, neither of them got proper look at the snake, whether it is poisonous or it is non-poisonous snake. So they have not seen at all. Yes, now Shripati was very much frightened and he started shouting. After shouting, people came there running at the spot. What happened to Shripati? They started saying, what happened? What happened? They came to know that it is a snake bite. So what Tara told them to take Shripati to a taluka. Okay, so taluka what is there in taluka? Hospital is there. In hospital they will provide antidote. Okay, that is anti snake bite injection. So if anti snake bite injection is given to Shripati, his life may be saved. Okay, but these village people, instead of taking to taluka, they had taken to village mantrik. Okay, so what village mantrik did? He laid Shripati on a bed of neem leaves and began to chant mantra against the action of snake poison. What do you think? Do the mantras act against the snake poison? Was it wrong or right to bring Shripati to village mantrik? Would you have taken Shripati to the mantrik or to the government hospital? आप क्या करते? उसे किसी मांत्रिक के पास ले जाते या किसी गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में ले जाते? Yes? Now you decide what is right and what is wrong. आप बताइए सही क्या है और गलत क्या है? क्या श्रीपति की जान बच जाती उन मांत्रिक के मंत्रों से, या उसे एंटीडोट का इंजेक्शन देते हम, या एंटी स्नेक बाइट का इंजेक्शन हम देते श्रीपति को, तो श्रीपति की जान बच जाती कि इन मंत्रों से जान बचती? क्या सही है क्या गलत है? बच्चों ये आपको जरूर पता होना चाहिए कि ये गलत है ये सही है. दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग. तारा advised them properly, but nobody paid attention to her words. Okay, instead of them, villagers took them to the mantrik. Now what is right? Tara is right or the village mantrik is right? So students, this decision I am leaving to you all. You decide who is correct, Tara or mantrik or the villagers. Soon Shripati felt better. But was because the mantra act against the snake poison, or was the snake was unknown poison, or the mantrik got a credit even when he did not deserve it? That means मांत्रिक is getting credit. हाँ कि जो भी हुआ मांत्रिक के कारण हुआ, उसकी लाइफ बच गई. ओके, तो ये किसके कारण उसकी जान बची? मांत्रिक के कारण कि स्नेक बाइट के कारण? Home remedies are used for illnesses that are cured readily. Okay, elderly and experienced people usually know such home remedies. They tell these to others. Okay, some of the common home remedies are bad throat, cold, vomiting due to indigestion, mild fever, cut, small wound. So students, for this you should not run to doctor. These are the small things which could be cured by taking small precautions at home only. Okay, so here see, small girl is having bad throat. She is having bad throat. So what she is doing? Gargle. She is gargling with warm water. ठीक है, वार्म वाटर से गरारा करना है, गर्म पानी से गरारा करना है. तो उससे क्या होता है, जो बैड थ्रोट होता है वो ठीक हो जाता है. व्हाट अबाउट कोल्ड? अगर सर्दी हो गई तो क्या करना है? इनहेलेशन ऑफ अ स्टीम, भाप लेते हैं. ओके, सो इनहेलेशन ऑफ स्टीम एंड हॉट फर्मेंटेशन इज डन. गरम गरम चाय, काढ़ा वगैरह जो होता है ना, बना के हम पीते हैं, तो जिससे क्या होता है, वो कोल्ड या सर्दी जो है वो चली जाती है और हमें बेटर फील होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वॉमिटिंग. due to indigestion. If someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, it is better not to insist him or her having a meal. ठीक है, उसे पेट भर के आप खाना खिलाओगे तो नेचुरली क्या करेगा, वो उल्टी ही करेगा क्योंकि उसे प्रॉब्लम है. यस, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है जिसके कारण वो वॉमिट कर रहा है. सो दैट थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. यू शुड नॉट गिव हिम हैवी मील और यू शुड नॉट गिव हिम मील, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट दे शुड बी गिवन अ कूल लेमन शरबत. ठंडा लेमन शरबत देना है उनको, नींबू पानी देना है. ओके, एंड समथिंग लाइट, कुछ हल्का खाना जैसे दही भात. ओके, टू ईट द नेक्स्ट डे, and that also you have to offer next day. Then only this thing could be cured. Is that clear? ओके, तो उल्टी कैसे रोकी जाए. उल्टी का प्रॉब्लम इंडाइजेशन के कारण हो गया है, तो ये हम जो घरेलू उपाय है वो हम कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो कूल लेमन शरबत, कर्ड, राइस, दैट इज कर्ड एंड राइस, they are the best for curing the vomiting due to indigestion. Cut, bruise, small wound. So students, this is the first aid. The first aid सबके घर में है ये बॉक्स, है ना. हाँ, तो ये फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स जो है वो सभी के घर में होता है. यस, जो छोटे मोटे कट हो जाते हैं या मार लग जाती है, इंजरी हो जाती है, तो हम इनमें से दवाइयाँ इनमें रखी हुई दवाइयों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इफ़ समवन हैज़ अ कट, ब्रुश और a small wound, it should be washed with clean water and it should be made dry. The tincture of iodine may be applied to it and then it should be covered with a clean cotton bandage. ठीक है, तो these things should be done. Okay. Even if an illness appear to be minor, it should never be neglected. Remember, home remedies have limit. If a person does not recover in a day or two, or if the illness is worsened, one must go to doctor. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take any medicine that must be swallowed. If someone is vomiting as a result of fever or indigestion, it is better not to give heavy meal. Yes. Next, and they should be given cool lemon juice or dahi bath to the next day. Don't give them heavy meal. ज़्यादा खाना मत खिलाओ क्योंकि वो पहले ही वॉमिट कर रहा है. वॉमिट मीन्स उल्टी करना. ठीक है. इफ समवन हैज कट, ब्रुश और स्मॉल वुंड, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? कट हो गया, छिल गया, जख्म हो गई है. सो व्हाट शुड बी डन? It should be washed with clean water. Okay, and dab dry. उसे dry करना है. And tincture of iodine must be applied to it. Iodine लगा दो उसके ऊपर. ठीक है. Then it should be covered with the clean cotton bandage. इतना तो कोई भी कर सकता है. That is the first aid treatment. Yes. डॉक्टर के पास जाने के पहले जो हम ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं, इट इज़ अ फर्स्ट एड, एंड ईच एंड एवरी हाउस फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स इज देयर. Yes or no, students? First aid box is there at home. Dettol, bandage, cotton, tincture of iodine, tube, etc. It is there now. For example, if anybody is getting burned or if anybody is getting hurt, immediately your mummy provides the treatment. So that is the first aid treatment. Yes, the treatment which is given by your mom before going to doctor, it is said to be home remedies, or we can say a first aid. Okay. Now, even if an illness appear to be minor, it should never be neglected. Remember, home remedies have limits. Home remedies have limits. If a person do not recover in day or 2 days, or if illness worsen, then you have to go to doctor. नहीं ठीक हो रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब कुछ मेजर प्रॉब्लम है. You have to go to doctor. Without a doctor's advice, one should never take any medicine. That must be swallowed. Yes children, समझ में आया? डॉक्टर के एडवाइस के सिवाय हमें कभी दवाई नहीं लेनी चाहिए. दवाई लेते वक्त आपको एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करनी चाहिए. Then, people who provide health services to the society. Now, who are the people providing health services to the society? Municipal council. Those people who can't pay big fees to the doctors, they can go for municipal corporation. Okay, they are providing free services to the patient. They are not taking any money. Free service. Services that take care of health of the people and provide treatment of those who are ill is called as health service or medical service. Big towns and cities have doctor, clinic, hospitals, etc. Right? In big cities, in big town, what do we have? Hospital, city, clinic, etc. It is there. Okay, but in most city, in rural area, there are government hospital, primary health center. 2. Patient can get treatment in concessional rate in such hospital. In concessional rate, you will get treatment in such hospital. Okay. Then municipal corporation of big city also run hospital that provide medical treatment. So students, with this I am finishing the topic. Let's recapitulate the lesson. That is what we have learned. Some illness are cured quickly, but there are some that do not get cured easily. Minor illness can be cured with home remedies. Experienced elderly people in family know of such home remedies. For a cold, one can inhale steam and take fermentation. A lemon sherbet is good for someone who is vomiting. Lemon sherbet is good for someone who is vomiting. Okay. Always remember, mantra, incantation, magic spell, charm do not cure any disease or illness.